Winter is beautiful, but shoveling snow can be a hassle. Let's explore how single-stage snowblowers make snow removal easy. A single-stage snowblower is designed for light to moderate snowfall. Unlike two-stage models, it uses a single auger to both gather and throw snow, making it compact and lightweight. These machines are perfect for clearing small to medium-sized driveways, sidewalks and walkways. The auger, which is the main component, directly contacts the ground, helping to clear snow right down to the pavement. This makes it highly efficient for areas with less frequent or lighter snowfall. Additionally, single-stage snowblowers are generally easier to maneuver and store due to their smaller size. They're also more affordable compared to their two-stage counterparts, making them an excellent choice for homeowners who need a reliable and cost-effective solution for winter snow removal. The key components of a snowblower are essential for its effective operation. One of the most important parts is the auger, which is a spiral blade designed to collect and break up the snow. As the auger rotates, it gathers the snow and directs it towards the center of the machine. This is where the impeller comes into play. The impeller is a powerful component that pushes the collected snow through the chute with great force. This combination of the auger and the impeller ensures that the snow is not just moved but is thrown efficiently, allowing for snow removal up to an impressive distance of 30 feet away. This design is particularly useful in heavy snowfall conditions, making the task of clearing driveways, sidewalks, and other areas much easier and quicker. Understanding these components can help in maintaining and troubleshooting your snowblower. When you turn on the snowblower, you initiate a powerful sequence of mechanical actions designed to make snow removal effortless. The engine, which is the heart of the snowblower, powers the auger. This engine is typically a robust, gasoline-powered motor that provides the necessary force to tackle even the heaviest snowfalls. As the auger spins, it pulls snow in from the ground with its rotating blades. These blades are designed to break up and gather the snow efficiently, ensuring that no snow is left behind. The gathered snow is then fed into the impeller. The impeller acts like a high-speed fan, accelerating the snow and preparing it for expulsion. The impeller then blasts the snow out through the chute with great force. This chute can often be adjusted to direct the snow exactly where you want it to go, whether that's to the side of your driveway or a specific area of your yard. This entire process is quick and efficient, allowing you to clear large areas of snow in a short amount of time. The design of the snowblower ensures that it can handle various types of snow, from light and fluffy to heavy and wet. This makes it perfect for driveways and sidewalks, providing a clear and safe path for walking and driving. With a snowblower, winter maintenance becomes a much easier task, saving you time and physical effort. Single-stage snowblowers are lighter, easier to maneuver, and ideal for lighter snow. However, they may struggle with heavier snow or gravel surfaces. Now you know how single-stage snowblowers work. Enjoy a stress-free winter, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.